Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made these cherry blossom branches. You will need a couple of vases of your choice, some hot glue sticks, or a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, some leaf ribbon, scissors, just pink tissue paper or white, whatever you have on hand, and some branches. You also need a pencil and a tape measure. So right now I am measuring out 2.5 inches. I'm going to make 2.5 inch squares for the flowers. Once I made the first row, I folded at 2.5 inches, and I did kind of an accordion so I didn't have to measure each strip. And I forgot to mention that there are 6 pieces of tissue paper in this stack, so it was just easiest to work with. So I used scissors the first couple, and then I grabbed my my paper cutter and ended up cutting them that way. Now I'm making the petals, so I'm folding in half diagonally and half again, and then in half one more time, and then I'm just cutting a half circle, cutting off any of the rough edges or just like the edge to make it more round and petal shaped. So I do that. I'm picking up about 6 pieces of the tissue paper, folding in half again, and one more time. Now it's time to attach them to the branch, so I'm just taking 2 pieces of tissue paper, folding it in half and then in half again, and then I'm just kind of twisting it down at the bottom. It makes a little flower shape that way, and then I'm taking a small piece of hot glue and attaching it to each of the buds on the branches. And then I'm also following up with some of the leaf ribbon that I have. this was a very simple and inexpensive project. You can watch one of your favorite Netflix videos while you make these cherry blossom branches. I hope you enjoyed.